No problem. This is gonna be so yummy. And for even deeper ruby notes, port wine is gonna help run all of these flavors so nicely together and give it a nice red burgundy color. And to finish this all off and round that beefy flavor, beef stock. I'm gonna let this simmer away and get my pasta dough ready. I find that the secret to perfect pasta making, it's in the wrist. How thick or thin my dough is gonna be so important depending on the filling that I chose. The lamb filling, chunky and meaty,